Planner 5D versus Room Planner. Which is the best home planner? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which home planner is the best between Planner 5D and Room Planner. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is that Planner 5D and Room Planner are both home design tools that help you create 2D and 3D floor plans. Over here, Planner 5D offers extensive customization with AI and R features, while Room Planner focuses on quick and easy room layouts. After that, let's look at Planner 5D's features. Over here, Planner 5D provides a massive catalog of over 8,000 items, allowing you to design your space in detail. Then, it also offers high quality 3D renderings and cross platform compatibility. After that, it includes AI design suggestions and augmented reality support for real-time visualization. Then let's talk about Room Planner's features. Over here, Room Planner focuses on simplicity with predefined room templates and a catalog of real-world furniture. Then it also allows quick room setups and is available on mobile devices for easy use on the go. After that, let's compare who should choose which planner. Over here, Planner 5D is better for users who want detailed customization, AI and R features, and professional level design. Then, Room Planner is better for those who need a quick, easy to use tool for basic room layouts with real furniture options. So, that's a comparison of Planner 5D versus Room Planner. That's all for this video.